Good morning everyone. In this video, Summative Assessment 1 October 2025 Telangana State Board Hyderabad Mathematics Class 9th question paper discuss. This paper download to Telegram link on description. Let's start the paper. Max marks 80. Two part divided, part A and part B. Part A marks 60 time 2 hours 30 minutes. Section 1. Note: first, answer all the following question. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 1. Represent -5/3 and 3/5 on the number line. Question number 2. Find the mean of first 6 prime numbers. Question number 3. Find the zero of the polynomial 3x minus 5. Question number 4. In the adjacent figure, find the value of x and y. 150 degree and x degree. This is the exterior angle of a triangle, interior angle of the triangle y, and 40 degree. Find the value of x and y. Question number 5. Express x upon 5 equal to y minus 5 in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c. Question number 6. Every rational number is an integer. In this sentence, true or not, justify your answer. All 6 questions in belonging to section 1. Each question carries 2 marks. Section 2, question number 7. Write the formula for finding the curved surface area of a cylinder and explain each terms in it. Question number 8. Check whether 5, 0 coordinate and coordinate 0 minus 2 are the solution of 2x minus 5y equal to 10. Question number 9. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is 154 square centimeter. Find the volume of hemisphere. Nikita said 1/2 and minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Do you agree? Give reason. Question number 11. Write 2 example for ax plus by plus c equal to 0 such that a, b and c are irrational number. Question number 12. 12th question. If a plus b plus c equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 50, then find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Section 3rd. Each question carries 6 marks. If square root 5 plus square root 2 upon square root 5 minus square root 2 equal to a plus b root 10, the find the value of a and b. Question number 14. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the given below. Question number 15. If p of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 2, then find the value of p of 2 plus p of 0 upon p of 1 minus p of minus 1. Solve the question. And question number 16. Represent 4.245 on the number line through successive magnification. Question number 17. Divide 2x की power 3 minus 3x square minus 5x minus 5 by x minus 3 and verify the remainder theorem. Question number 18. In the following diagram, L parallel to M parallel to N, the angle PQ R X Y and Z. Solve the question in the following figure. Thanks to watch. Like, share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.